Hello students, let us welcome you for the probability concepts problems. So this is in continuation with the last class. Last class we were doing the problems on the probability. Three candidates X, Y, Z are going to play the chess competition. X is thrice as likely to win as Y. Y is twice as likely to win as Z. So, what is asked in the question is, find the respective probability of X, Y, Z to win the competition or to win the cup. So, how many candidates totally? X, Y, Z. So, these are the constraints given to us. X is 3 times as much as Y wins and Y is 2 times as much as Z wins. So, let us formulate the steps. So, we have to first define the events. Let A, B, C be the events of X, Y, Z winning the competition respectively. So we want the probability of X, Y, Z to win the competition, winning the competition respectively. First we have to define the events. So what is the condition? X is thrice as likely to win as Y. So A is to B is nothing but 3 is to 1. Okay, because the rule is 3 times as much as B wins. Then Y is twice as likely to win as Z. So B is to C, ratio and proportion. So it's twice, am I right? So it will become 2 is to 1. Now I am going to combine the ratio and proportion. Therefore, A is to B is to C. How can we write? If we multiply this with 2, then we can merge these two. Am I right? These are the basic concepts in the ratio and proportion. So, 3 is to 1. If we multiply by 2, what will happen? This will become 6, this will become 2. And now this will become 2 and 1. So, these two are same. So, I can combine like this. So, 6 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Now, let K be the proportionality constant. Why we are defining? Because everything is in the form of the ratio. Now let us calculate N of S. So what is our N of S? We have to calculate N of S, N of A, N of B and N of C. Am I right? So N of A is nothing but, what is the total value? 6 plus 2 plus 1. So the total is 9. Total is 9. So N of A will become 6 times K and N of B will become 2 times of K because B value is 2 and C, N of C is nothing but 1 into K, that is K. Therefore, N of S is nothing but the totality of all possible outcomes, is it not? So, the totality of all possible outcomes. So, 6 plus 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 9, but we are writing in terms of the proportionality constant. So, it will become 9K. Now, we are going to define the probability of A. What is the definition of probability? Total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. So, favoring elements divided by the totality of all the values. Am I right? So, what is our N of A? 6K by 9K. K being a proportionality constant gets cut. So, the value is, this we can reduce it to a simplest fraction, 2 by 3. Then probability of B winning the cup is nothing but N of B divided by N of S, which is nothing but, what is N of B over here? 2K divided by NK, K being a proportionality constant. Why we are introducing proportionality constant? Because it's a ratio and proportion. So this We cannot reduce it to a simple fraction, so let it be as it is. Then the next one is